How lightning really works. Lightning is a natural electrical event that happens high in the sky when strong storms form. It begins when tiny pieces of ice inside clouds move around quickly and create an electric charge. This electric charge becomes stronger and stronger as the storm grows bigger and more powerful. When the charge has no more space to stay inside the cloud, it tries to escape and travel somewhere else. This sudden movement of electricity creates a bright flash that we see across the sky. People see lightning before hearing thunder because light travels much faster than sound. Inside the storm cloud, the top becomes positively charged while the bottom becomes negatively charged. These opposite charges create a strong attraction, similar to a magnet being pulled toward another magnet. When the attraction becomes too strong, lightning is released as a huge spark of electricity. Sometimes the lightning travels inside the cloud, connecting different parts of it. Other times it travels from one cloud to another, lighting up the whole sky. And in many cases, lightning travels from the cloud down toward the ground. When lightning strikes the ground, it usually hits the tallest or highest object it can find. This is why tall trees, mountains, and buildings are more likely to be struck than small or low objects. The lightning moves through the air very quickly, heating it to extremely high temperatures. This sudden heat makes the air expand fast, and the expansion creates the loud sound we call thunder. Even though lightning is dangerous, it is also an important part of Earth's natural electrical balance. Scientists study lightning to understand how it forms and how it affects our planet. They use special cameras, sensors, and satellites to record lightning flashes and measure their strength. This helps them predict storms and warn people to stay safe during severe weather. Lightning also helps create natural chemicals in the atmosphere that are useful for plants and the environment. Understanding how lightning really works allows us to appreciate the power of nature while also learning how to protect ourselves. And even though lightning can be frightening, it remains one of the most amazing sights in the natural world. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.